Recycling is a way of life for many people. It's not just about reusing materials that would otherwise become waste or about preventing the creation of more rubbish. It's about caring for our planet and the natural world. Recycling is about the environment and our impact on it. Recycling is the act of converting used items into new raw materials or products. The items that are recycled can be broken down into three categories: materials for new products, materials for energy, other materials including materials used as raw material for other processes. Recycling is a way of reusing resources that would otherwise be wasted. It is a process that is the reverse of the natural processes of the world. It's a way to take materials that would otherwise end up as waste and turn them into other usable items. Recycling can also be done at the end of a product's life. When a product is used up, it's recycled into raw materials that are used in other products. So I think everyone should do their part in helping out the nature. I think everyone should recycle.